Welcome to Learn English for Life.
Good morning, Justin. How are you, buddy?
Morning, Harry. I'm fit as always.
Is this your dog?
Yes, his name is Milo.
Wow, it looks quite big and dashing. Is it Doberman?
It is Great Dane. I know they look quite similar. I see people often confusing it for a Doberman.
I never heard about Great Dane.
I understand. Many of them are not aware of this breed. They are originally from Germany.
Amazing! So you got it transported from Germany?
Not really. This breed is big in number and can be found in most of the countries around the world without any issues.
That's kind of news to me. I like its color. Looks like a gentle giant but does not seem so.
That is not true. He surely is a very friendly and affectionate animal.
I want to believe you, but unfortunately, I can't, as I see him aggressive in nature.
You will believe me only when you will initiate.
And how am I supposed to be doing that?
Don't you want to stroke him?
I would love to, as long as he does not bite me. You know I am very scared of dogs.
Don't worry, he will not bite you. He actually enjoys meeting new people, especially when he sees me being friendly with them.
Oh, so he does observe you minutely.
Yes, he can read the love and hate body language very well, and that is how he changes his temperament.
Wow, I'm impressed. You know many things about this breed.
Don't forget. Call him Milo.
Okay, I'm sorry. So, what does he eat?
There are plenty of varieties of dog food available in supermarket. And he especially enjoys the meat-based food products.
Great, so who buys that stuff for him?
There are plenty of varieties of dog food available in supermarket. And he especially enjoys the meat-based food products.
Amazing.
Don't you have any pet, Harry?
No offense, but I honestly do not approve pets. I do not have much time for myself, and taking care of a pet is an impossible thing for me.
I understand, but it's not that difficult to handle them. They are just like us. Their needs are not different than us. Consider them as humans and everything just becomes easy.
What a great thought, Justin. I will surely think about this. Maybe one day I will have a pet dog too.
It was nice meeting you, Harry. I got to go now as I have to visit the pet supply store.
Pet supply store for what?
To buy some dog food, toys, and some t-shirts for my Milo. He loves shopping. I told you.
All right, buddy. Take care. See you soon.
You too, mate.
So Todd, you live in Japan. Do you see your family often?
Yes. I see them often. I see them usually once a year, but I write to them often, and I call them sometimes.
Okay. And when you see them, Do you go to the United States to visit them, or do they come to Japan?
I go to America, and then everyone goes to my mom's house, and everybody meets me at my mom's house, which is nice. I see my sister, and we talk a lot, and it's good.
Does your mother miss you?
Yes. She misses me and I miss her a lot, so it's very nice to see her, and also, I miss my dad. I miss him a lot, so I'm always happy to see him.
Nice. What about your sister? When you are in the United States, do you have some activities you like to do together?
Yeah, sometimes we do stuff together. Maybe I will meet her at a cafe, or I will go shopping with her, so we do something fun each time I go back.
Nice.
Also, when I go home, I see my best friend, and that's always nice. I usually meet him for dinner, and of course I call him, and it's always nice to see my best friend. How about your family?
Well, since I live in Japan, I also call them and write them, but usually, we only Skype about once a month.
Oh. So, who do you Skype with the most, your mom or your dad?
I Skype the most with my father, because he wakes up very early, so his time and his schedule match my schedule. So it is easy for us to Skype.
Do you call him or does he call you?
I usually call him, but sometimes he calls me. Usually, if he calls me, it's because I have not called in a long time.
Oh. So sometimes, you make him mad.
A little angry.
Right. That's nice.
But
You have a brother too, right?
I do have a brother, and I call him less frequently, because he is so busy with his job. So we speak about once or twice a month, by messages or by phone.
Oh, that's nice. Do you follow your family on social media?
Yes. I use Facebook.
Oh, I use it too.
It is a really easy way to keep in contact with them.
Yeah, I agree. What about other social media? Do you use Twitter?
No. I don't use Twitter, and I don't use other social media either, only Facebook.
Ah, that's good, I think. Too much is too bad.
I agree, but I do love Facebook, because I can speak with my brother, and my mother, and my father anytime.
So, with Facebook, do you check it every day?
I do check it every day. Maybe it's a bad habit, but I do like to check it every day. Do you check your Facebook every day?
Not every day. I check it maybe 3 times a week.
3 times a week.
Yeah, I don't use it much, and I don't use it on my phone.
Oh? That's a good idea.
Yeah. I like my free time.
Do you use other social media, such as Twitter or Instagram?
I do use Twitter, but I don't use it on my phone. I only use it on the computer.
Okay. What about Instagram?
Oh, I don't use it at all. Do you use it?
No, I don't use it.
Oh, that's right. You only use Facebook.
I only use Facebook.
Oh, interesting. Well, That's nice that we can talk to our family on Skype and Facebook, because Japan is so far from America.
Yes, and I think they are very happy too.
Yeah, I think they are happy.
Hey Jensen, is that you?
Oh my God, Daniele. How are you?
I'm fine. It's been a long time. I had no idea you were coming to this party.
I know. We last saw each other at my sister's wedding.
Yes, and since we both went to college in different states, it was hard to find time to meet up during our breaks.
I told you to study business with me, but you prefer machine learning. Even two best friends are having difficulty getting together.
I know, but see, now we are both here. Do you recall our prank streaks when we competed to see who was the best prankster?
Yes, we were severely punished for this.
That's because you were always determined to succeed, even if it meant getting into trouble. I still remember the fire alarm incident in school.
Yes, I vividly recall the expressions on our professors' faces.
Thankfully, it was assembly time and no one was in the school building.
See, I mean no harm to anyone.
True that. You are just trying to stress out our professors.
Yeah, those incidents were really funny. All those memories still put a smile on my face.
Exactly, after all, you were the great prankster.
I agree, but you were no saint either.
Why are you saying that?
Did you forget that everyone freaked out when you mixed Kool-Aid in the staff room coffee maker?
Yes, I remember, and it was a lot of fun, but as your best buddy, I was only keeping your legacy alive so you didn't get all the punishments alone.
Oh, please. You, too, want to be known as the best prankster.
I hate to admit that, but it's true.
I still find it funny how naive we were to think these things would make us cool.
We were cool. Everyone at our school liked us.
That's somewhat true. Everyone in our school liked us except our professors.
Exactly. Do you remember when, during our final semester, you tried to frighten Mr. Robinson, our math instructor, and ended up having a cast on your leg?
Dude, in my excitement, I fell down the stairs, but you should see his face.
You should have seen his face when you fell, and he burst out laughing.
That's precisely right. That's very cruel of him.
Well, you started it, and you know what they say about karma, you reap what you sow.
At least Mr. Robinson and I had a good laugh.
Yes, but the only difference is that when Mr. Robinson started laughing, you had already sprained your leg.
Yeah, I miss high school. We had so much fun there with our friends.
True, high school was great, and I would give anything to relive those moments.
So, since we are both in town, why not visit our old school and meet our professors?
That's a great idea. Let's go.